is the stator side of the motor, and I recommend that you Loctite this bolt. And always make sure your keyway's in good shape, because this bolt right there, if it ever comes loose and this works its way loose, you will wind up with this. This is what happened when that bolt worked loose and broke the keyway. It destroyed my brand new forged piston. Thank God it was forged, or it would have blew it apart. But catastrophic failure. Oh, this bolt vibrating loose. Then this vibrated loose, broke the keyway, and it stopped running. And this is what we found. That didn't look like that yesterday. Terrible, terrible. So, always double check that nut is extremely tight with Loctite.